This 2021 Shadow Cruiser 280 QBS is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, your control panel is located next to your entry door. It has controls for functions like your lights, slides, and battery disconnect. Moving into the main living area, you'll notice a couch and a booth-style dinette, both of which convert into additional beds. Across from this is your kitchen. Your kitchen includes a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. Moving to the back of the trailer, the second bedroom includes 3 bunks with an additional bunk that can be converted from the small dinette. Moving to the front of the trailer, we come to the flat screen TV and multimedia head unit beneath. Behind this is the bedroom with a king-sized bed. Returning outside, your solar charge port is located next to your pass-through storage hatch. Also make note of the location of your hookups for cable and water. On the entry side is an exterior kitchen with a grill and a mini fridge. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.